Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. So the first step will be like you need to connect your WhatsApp API number with the tool. So let me just tell you about the WhatsApp API. So basically there is three type of things which you can do through the WhatsApp. First one is a WhatsApp app which you are normally using in your devices. Second one is a WhatsApp business app which you are currently using, and third one is a WhatsApp API. So in WhatsApp API, there is no app available in App Store. So in order to use the WhatsApp API, you need to connect your number with the BSP. We call it as a VSP. So we are the official business solution provider for WhatsApp. So like the number which you are using in WhatsApp API that cannot be used in any WhatsApp app or WhatsApp business app. So you can just simply use that particular number in the BSPs. So we are the, as I said, we are the official business partner of WhatsApp. So you can use your official business number to the tool, and once it is connected, you will see your WhatsApp number is live there. So this will be your first step, and the second step is that you need to add your user database under the tool. So you can just simply do one thing. You can just upload your user database by using the CSV file upload method. Once it is done, you will see all your data will be listed in that particular section, user section. And now the third step, that like you just said me that you want to send the image or any message to your customer, but right now the limitation is that you are able to send only like any image to just five of your students. So for that you can use WhatsApp template, message template part. So in that initially what you have to do, like whenever you send a bulk message, or I can say multiple message to your customer, so in WhatsApp API, initially you need to approve your template with the WhatsApp, and it is very easy and it hardly take I can say five to 10 minute maximum to approve. So once it is approved, it will show you like this. So I'm just going to show you how you can create the template. Like I can say, I'm just creating a demo for you so that you can see how you can easily how easily you can create a template. I can see I can select alert update and select the language as well. You can also create the template in multiple language as well. Now in my message, I want to attach any media file, and media file could be any image, video, or document, whatever. So for your case, I'm just taking an image, and in body text, I'm just mentioning hi. So my message is ready to send. And in footer, I can mention my company name, or as per your business requirement, you can also put your company name. And also you can add call to action button. Like I'm just taking an example, you can add call to action button like call us, where instead of URL, you need to choose phone number. I'm mentioning my number. For any image, you can just simply choose any image from your box. Just for reference, I'm using this image. Now you can see your template is ready to send out to your customer. You can just simply click on save and click on submit button. So right now I have just chosen English language, so I'm just going to submit it. Now you can see this particular template which I have just submit for review is under the review process of WhatsApp. Once it is approved, it will show you like this green circle, which means that template is ready to send out to your customer. So this will be the step you need to follow in WhatsApp API in order to send bulk message to your customers. So I hope this part is clear to you, right?
Yes, sir, but I need to ask you what is this software? Where did it came? I don't know anything about this software. What software it
Actually,
is?
in order to use WhatsApp API, you're requiring a third party solution provider to like use your number as a WhatsApp API. For that particular thing, you require a tool, and we providing the tool. So that software name is Messenger People is offered by the company Cinch.
Which, Mayur, we will be looking at buying at this software to take care of the issues
Okay,
that you're facing right now and overcome the
okay,
limitations. So don't worry about that. The main aspect that I want you to look at is whether it is giving a solution to all your issues at the moment. Pushpendra, few queries that I have is
Mhm.
one, does it have a file format limitation? Like Mayur is using PDF, so can we send PDF files as well, or it allows only JPEG or PNG files?
Of course, yes. You just need to create the template. In order to
Okay.
send a PDF file, you can just select PDF. In order to send image, you can select image. In order to send video, you can select video. So for that three part, you just need to create three templates. And when your template is ready, it will show you as green approved type of
Got
symbol
it.
there. And now I'm going to again to the user section where I have uploaded my user database. Now you can see right now I have 15 user only. So in order to if I want to send notification to all of these customer, I'm just going to click on send notification part, clicking on the approved template, which is approved from the WhatsApp. So I'm just taking an example of this offer. Now you can see I have attached the image, but you can change your image as per your business requirement. So you can just simply use any image at your as per your requirement. So right now I'm using this particular image, and if I select the 15 user and click on submit, this particular notification will send out to all the 15 customers. But right now I'm not going to do that because it will be like these 15 customer will receive unnecessary notification from my side. And if you can share me your number, I can show you directly how it will look like at your screen.
Mayur, you can share your number. Another query, Pushpendra, while he would share his number in the chat but option, I want to know, is there a limitation number of people that we can send? Like, do you have a warming up period for it, or we can start with the n number of users that we might have?
In WhatsApp API, basically there is a tiers wise notification which you can send. So initially you are starting. So right now you can start, you can send in an initial phase, you can send 1,000 notification to your customer. So
Okay.
once you send 1,000 notification to your customer, WhatsApp will automatically increase your limit to next step, which is 5,000 customer. So once you reach to the 5,000 customer, WhatsApp will move you to tier three, where you can send 10,000 notification to your customer at one go. And once you reach to 10,000 number, WhatsApp will make your WhatsApp API as a unlimited tier, automatically move to your unlimited tier where you can send n number of notification at one single click. Like you can reach out to even lakh, 10 lakh, crore of customer in just one single click.
Any limitation on number of people who should open it, and only on the basis of that we get increase in the limit?
No, there is no such limitation. As I said, WhatsApp API work in tier wise. So initially in a starting phase, you will get only first notification you can send to 1,000 customers only. So once you send it, WhatsApp will automatically increase your limit and move you to from tier one to tier two. So that is how WhatsApp notification will work.
Okay. That sounds good.
And the sample data which I have used at the time of creation of template, that is just a sample data. Means just to showcase to WhatsApp for a review process. So once your template is ready, you can change, like today you are sending one image, in next day you can send another image, in next day you can send another image. So like that you can design your campaign. And if your customer is replying you back, you will get this ticketing thing. So whenever your customer reply you back over the ticket, you will see unassigned ticket, and you can assign your team there. Like I'm assuming there is like five employee who was working for that client request. So they, whenever they receive any ticket, they can simply reply or assist the customer. So there is two way to handle this kind of inquiry. Either you can assign directly and live agent to handle the like customer inquiries which is incoming through the messaging which you are sending right now. And another way is that you can implement a chatbot, is a automation chatbot, so that chatbot itself handle the client's query and answer all the client's query which your customer asked through the chatbot.
Do we have two functions? That is, during working hours, we have the individual answering it, and after working hours, we have the chatbot active. Can that be
Exactly,
done?
exactly, you can do that.
Okay,
That
sounds
is
great.
how, yeah, that is how the company is doing right now. So they basically during the business hours they enable their agents to work over the ticket. So once the business hours is over, automatically the chatbot comes into the play and handle the client's inquiry, so that it covers the 24/7 time span window.
Okay, now I understand that you might be having packages on the number of people that I can have added to this. So, say for example, if I have three people more working on this, where I
Mhm.
want them to be having those tickets being assigned and the access being shared,
Mhm.
so there would be different packages for it, right?
In our initial package, you will get 5 agent access.
Five agent.
So
Okay,
yeah,
that should be
so
good enough.
we called it as a 5 agent. So you can assign I'm just going to show you how you can do that. You just need to go to the agent section, and by clicking on plus sign, you can add your employee there with their email ID. And once you add it there, they will receive a link to reset their password. So they will have their own individual login ID and password to access the tool.
And as an admin, we can see it for all,
Of course,
right? They
yes.
would have it individually.
Of course, yes. You can from the I can say just give me a second. From the statistics section, you can see everything from your end. You can see your monthly active users, how many users approaches to you through your WhatsApp number, and the another thing I missed during this part. You can also, if your business is using Facebook, Telegram, and Instagram, also you can enable that part as well. It is absolutely free of cost. So if your
Okay,
customer
only
is
in
reaching.
terms of DMs, right? The DMs would help in that case.
Yeah, exactly. If your customer is reaching you out through Facebook Messenger, you will receive an inquiry in form of Facebook. Like you can see that this particular customer reached me out through Messenger, and this particular customer is reaching me out through Telegram. So you can get all the data,
Okay, that sounds great. Mm.
and you can implement these things like this, which we have implemented in our website. Now you can say, I'm just give me a second. Let me show you how it will look like in your website. So now you can see. Uh, we in our website we have implemented almost all the messaging channel. So if a customer is using Notify, they can reach to us through Notify, Messenger, Telegram, Apple Messages, web widget, Instagram, and WhatsApp. They can reach us out through any mode, and we will get the client information in the same section, and we can assist from the same panel or through the same CRM.
Okay, that sounds great. Mayur, any questions that you have?
No, sir. No, sir. I have shared
Okay, so this
the
1000 that you mean to say is for the entire dashboard, right? You don't mean to say for 1000 per individual that I would have or the agents that we would have, right?
Right.
Okay, fine. Mm. And again, here you don't have a limitation that these people should have our number saved. That is not the case, like how we have it in case of broadcast messages. Irrespective whether
Exactly.
the person saves it or not, they would receive it.
Exactly. If they are using their the number in WhatsApp, they will receive your message. And the best part of this, whenever you send a notification, you will get this kind of static section. So yeah, this what I want to show you. Like you can see your agent performance from there as well. Like you can see Sandeep Bedi is working on these tickets. He have processed these tickets. How much time he take to complete a ticket. So you will get entire dashboard, and you can design it as per your business requirement, so that you can see your agent performance as well. And this is the another part which I want to send, like show you. So whenever you send a note bulk message or notification to all of your customer, you want to see how it is look like. So you by this you will see these particular customer haven't received your message, which means that they are not in WhatsApp. These customer receive your message, and you can see these customer receive your message, but the delivery is pending, which means that either they have deactivated their internet, or they are like out of station or network issue, whatever they, so whenever they comes into the network section, they will receive your message. And this double click means that they have received your message, and they have seen your message. So you will get entire data when you download the CSV file of the notification which you send through the tool.
They also give live access to this particular report. That is, say for example, today I do the campaign, I share the downloaded file. But what happens is it gets redundant over a period of time. Next day again I have to share the file. So is there a link that I can share with people who are not agents over here? Like we don't give them an access, but they would like to access the reports.
That is something I need to check with the team. But yes, by downloading the CSV file, you can share the CSV file to your team to view it.
Okay, this will also give us the reply statistics as well, right?
Exactly.
Okay, fine. Anything else, Pushpendra, that you feel is necessary for us to know?
Yeah. One more thing I want to show you, like you can also do the auto routing feature, which means that you don't have to, like as an administrator, you don't want to do a manual work. So whenever a ticket comes, means whenever a client reply you back to your message, you want that particular ticket will assign to your live agent automatically. So in that case, you can enable the auto routing feature, which means that if a client he came to you 2 days ago and speak to an agent A, and after 2 day today again he ping you back. So you want that that particular ticket will be assigned to the same agent who is working on that particular ticket. So by clicking on that part, that particular ticket will assign to the same person. And agent A is working on 10 ticket, which is the maximum limit for that particular agent. And now you want any new ticket come which automatically assigned to agent B. So by clicking on that, you can do that particular thing. And by clicking on this third feature, which means that the ticket will only assign to the agent who is online that particular time. And another thing is that the rule-based keyword, which is basically used by the company. So suppose if a client is coming and by saying I'm interested in sales, so that particular ticket automatically assigned to the sales team. If a client coming by saying I want support, so that particular ticket will assign to the support team. So you can enable this part as well. And if you, the most important feature of this particular tool is that if you don't want to like schedule a message at the same instant, you want to schedule your notification as per your for entire week. You came on Monday and you want to schedule your notification for entire week. So what you can do, you can just simply go ahead and use the template, select all your users, use the template which is approved by the WhatsApp. So I'm just taking an example. This is the template which you want to send to your customer. And by using the schedule content feature, you can schedule the delivery, and that particular time, the particular message will reach out to all the customers. So this is how you can increase the productivity of your company. It will increase your sales. It will increase your CSAT score in terms of customer support.
Okay. Two more, couple of more questions. I also want to know, can we have an integration with Zoho survey? I'm not talking about the CRM, but about the survey, where if somebody is filling up the form, Okay.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I
Mm-hmm.
want them to receive an automated message stating that, okay, thank you. These are the credentials for you to sign in for a particular webinar. Would that be possible or not?
Yeah, yeah, that is possible by two way. The first one is the JPR. You can use the JPR integration. So whenever a user reply you to your message, a JPR will use it as a trigger and send the survey form to fill the form. Once he fill, then automatically it will redirect again to the WhatsApp to send the booking information about the webinar. So this will be the first way you can do it. The second way, you can use the API key which we provide in our tool, and you can use that API key with the CRM which you are using right now. And by this way, you can do this particular automation. So this is a little bit a technical thing. For that, your
You got
technical
the
team.
behavior part because I'm aware of it, so that's fine. I just wanted an
Mm,
answer to it. My next question is for follow up or people who have received the message. Say, for example, certain people have received, they have read the message. Now we want them to take the second action item. I want only those set of people to be receiving the next message, the follow up message. Do you have that option
mhm.
also, where we can
Yeah.
have automatic workflow being created for it?
That is something you need to do manually, because for that initially you need to run a report. So you will get the entire data that these customer have received your message. Now you need to take out the number of these customer and you need to design your campaign for your next follow. So this is something a manual work which you have to do.
Okay, so that automatically it cannot be done. Fine.
Exactly.
Okay. I don't have any further questions from my end. Mayur, if you have any, maybe you can ask for it.
No, sir. Where do we gonna see our replies? Uh,
Okay, let's
what
do a
they
live
think?
demo for that. Yeah, let's do a live demo for that. So could you please just share me your number?
I have already shared.
I'm sorry. Could you please just tell me I'm on the screen?
He's given
Eight
it in the
seven
chat window. Just give me a second.
Okay,
It's
just give me a
eight.
2nd.
87660.
Just hold a second. Let me. Okay. Could you please just tell me? I can type there.
87660 660
Okay.
28052.
28052. So your number is 8766028052, right? So I'm going to send this particular message to you, and I clicked on submit. Now you can check your WhatsApp. Oh, I'm just sorry. Actually, this is the maximum limit I need to read. Just give me a second. Follow message. Yeah. Could you please just repeat your number once again?
87660
660 87660.
28052.
Yes.
So I hope you have received my message.
Sir.
Have you received it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mayur, can you please just reply to this particular ticket?
Yeah, it's sending me a message again.
Okay, actually the chatbot is activated there. So initially, just to showcase, just going to disable the chatbot. Okay, now could you please just say hi there? Okay, now you can see I'm replying to you. Hi, Mayur. So I hope you have received my message, right, Mayur?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So it will work exactly similar to like WhatsApp box is working. You can send the notification, you can send the file, you can send the image, you can send the video. Whatever you want to do through the WhatsApp, you can do through the same CRM. It work exactly same. If you want to assign this particular ticket to someone from your team to handle this particular inquiry, you can just go to the sign ticket and like assign any other agent to work on this particular ticket. And once this ticket is done, you can close the ticket so that this particular will be closed from the open ticket. So this is how you can do that. And best part is that you will get the user history. So whenever your customer come to you, it will create a user history. And for some date you want to see the what type of conversation you have done, so you can simply export as a PDF, and you will get the entire communication which you had done with through the customer in form of PDF file. It will record the sessions as well.
Okay.
So I hope tool functionality features is everything is clear to you, and it's very easy to use tool. Like if you want to start it right away within like next maximum 1 hour, you can start with the product, and we will provide you once you sign up with us, we will provide you on an onboarding team, support team, and a dedicated technical account manager. So basically, onboarding team will help you out and your team to train about the product, how to use the feature, how to implement the things. So the onboarding team will provide you the complete uh, information about the tool and help you in the throughout the integration and setup process. And once everything is done, so there will be a dedicated account manager for your account. So whenever you have any issues, any inquiry related to a product, you can directly get in touch with them and you can schedule a meeting as per your time frame.
Okay, that sounds great, Pushpendra. Mayur, any other questions that you have for Pushpendra?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So maybe Mayur, you can continue ahead, and I will take the discussion further with Pushpendra how we can proceed ahead with the onboarding procedure.
Okay. So may I leave this?
Yes, yes. Thank you for joining in, Mayur.
Thank you, Mayur.
So Pushpendra, I was just going through the mails that we have exchanged.
Mhm.
In that, I do not see any PDF file on the pricing point. I see an
Okay.
API documentation.
All right. I'm just going to show you. Just give me a second. Actually, just give me a second. Let me check it.
Sure.
Yeah, in second email, I have sent the commercial. So our plans start with like we have four plans basically. One is bronze. I'm just going to share my screen so that you will get more idea about the same.
Okay, sure.
So I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yes. Oh, okay. This was the table. I'm sorry, I missed it then.
No issue. So basically, our plans start with bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. In bronze, you will get 1,000 conversation, 5 agent access. In silver plan, you will get 4,000 conversation, and same with gold, 10,000 conversation, 25,000 conversation. So I'm just going to explain you what is the conversation part. So basically, there is two type of cost. One is tool cost, which is 6,399, and another is the conversation cost. So
Mm-hmm.
1,000 conversation is already included in it. So basically, if you exceed the limit, then you have to pay this much amount as an extra conversation to WhatsApp.
1,000 rupees for extra conversation.
No, 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 no. 0.89 rupees paisa
Extra.
for extra
Acha.
conversation. And one conversation is count as a 24-hour of time. Like if you initiated a message,
Huh.
it will be activated till next 24 hour. And during 24 hour, you can exchange a number of your conversation. It count as a one conversation only. After 24 hour, it count as a second conversation.
Okay. Fine.
So,
Got it.
like as per your business requirement, you can just share me like how many messages which you are sending on a daily basis, or how many messages you are receiving on a daily basis, so that I can suggest you best plan to start with it.
I think right now we'd go for bronze only, but is there something that you can work out on the pricing, Pushpendra?
Actually, tool pricing is non-negotiable because it's already too low. But yes, this particular pricing we can discuss if your number of messaging is is in very
I was
huge
looking at
amount.
the tool pricing, to be honest. The reason being, see, the monthly is 6399 for
Right.
tool pricing.
Mhm.
So which goes 72, more than 72,000 for a year.
Actually, ma'am, I'm really sorry, but the tool pricing is already very at very low cost, and I'm not going to if I talk to my management, they will simply deny it because they can do the negotiation on the conversation part, but the tool pricing is non-negotiable because we are offering you so much thing like we are offering you chatbot, we are offering you free support.
How
So these
competitive is this pricing as compared to haptic and interact?
you can go ahead and check with them because they even can provide you the same haptic is going to provide you the same tool. They are going to charge you for the chatbot, they are going to charge you for the setup fees, so the same thing it will going to cost you somewhere around I can say 30 to 40,000 in a month.
And how better is it from what we have it with Messenger?
You can just check about our company, you can just go ahead and check Cinch how we work.
No,
Even
I
the
do get that, but in terms of features, how
we yeah,
beneficial or how different is it from
yeah.
haptic is what I would like to know.
Yeah, see, haptic is doing they have entire thing haptic and interact. You are referring to haptic interact, right?
Haptic and interact, two separate
Yeah,
softwares, yeah.
yeah. So they both are working on the e-commerce part because they're most of the clients are from the e-commerce and they simply use the WhatsApp catalog and they sell it like that. But with us, you can simply connect your any of the CRM. Like if you are using HubSpot, if you are using any CRM in the world, you can simply connect with the tool because we provide open API key. And haptic is not doing the same. Yeah, they can provide you the same plan at price of 999 rupees per month, and they are going to provide you conversation like thousand conversation. But in that particular thing, they are not going to offer you dedicated support, dedicated technical team. They are not going to reply your ticket on timely manner. So that's the reason. Like initially, after having a demo with my clients, they simply like go ahead and check the same thing with the competitor and they sign up with them after using 1 month or 2 month service they again come back to me and they sign up for you can say any of the plan from that. I have more than 15 plus example for the same thing because they are, for any type of support they are not receiving timely email, they are not receiving calls from them, they are not receiving any like they are giving them call but they are not answerable. So if they want to start their project after 1 week, due to that particular delay, they are starting their project after 3 months. And for that 3 month, they already generated the 3 month subscription fee, which is a recurring fee, and they automatically charge from the customers.
Okay. Do you have any setup cost, any other additional
No,
cost
no,
apart from
no.
6399 when we start with?
No, there is no additional cost. There is just a subscription base. You just need to pay the tool fees. Everything is crystal clear. Conversation is included there. This conversation will be free of cost. Agent will be filed. If you want extra agent in the same plan, then you have to pay 700 rupees extra for adding one more agent. And if you want, if your conversation is more than 10,000, then definitely we can negotiate on this particular pricing.
Okay. Another thing, I wanted to know, Pushpendra, one was agents. I just forgot the question while I was waiting to talk. Okay. Mm. Okay, maybe if I recollect the question, I'll ask you later over the mail then.
Ah, no issue.
Mm.
You can note down my number as well, my direct number, so that I'm just going to
Yes,
type
I
over there.
do have that. I do have that.
You do have, right? Okay. So if you have any questions
Ah,
related to
with Facebook.
platform,
Okay, yeah, with
okay,
Facebook, do you have that verification and other things to be done, or that is not required?
for that, our account manager and dedicated onboarding team will going to help you with the same process. They will help. They will provide you the necessary steps which you need to do. So they will guide you what document do you need. Once you provide this document within like a week or 2 week of time, you will receive the business name and with the green badge.
So for Facebook verification also, do you do that along with this, or you don't do it?
You have to do it by yourself, but our team will be there for you on the call
Okay.
or
So
team
that
call
is
to
also
like
a
guide
step
you.
that is required to be done along with this, right?
Exactly, exactly. In order to like use the WhatsApp API, you need to create a Facebook Business Manager. So that is very easy work. It hardly take
No, we
one
do
day or
have
2 days
manager. We
time.
don't have the verification. That's the only thing.
For
Okay.
verification, yeah, for verification, you just need to provide some documents of your company, and that's it. Within like within 1 day or maybe less than 1 day, they approve the business manager account. But without verification, you can also use the WhatsApp API.
Okay, that sounds great. Fine. I'm sorted with all my questions and queries, Pushpendra. Thank you. If there is an invoice or a pro forma that you could raise, you could
Mm-hmm.
send it across to me. I could ask for an approval from our CEO, and then accordingly we could have the onboarding process. Mostly this would be done post Diwali only, because we will have our leave starting from 22nd onwards.
Mm-hmm.
Before that, I'll try and take an approval. That's the reason I'm requesting if you can have a pro forma invoice and all the features being included in a particular email
Yeah.
for me to have it convincingly been done.
Sure, Ridhima, I can do the same. But the thing is that I cannot create invoice because our invoice is like work on a prorated base. If I create an invoice right now, so that will count from the 19th of this month.
अच्छा
So I
ठीक
don't
है
want to waste this kind of time. So I'm just going to share you the proposal of the bronze
ठीक है
plan and share you the benefits and features, everything in that, so that you can take an approval. So whenever you start, so let's take an example. You are starting on 25th of the this particular month, 26th or 27th, whatever the date. So you just need to pay the prorated amount for this month. Let's take an example. You are starting on 26. For 5 days only, you have to pay initially
no
on
we'll
next.
start in the month of November only, so we'll take it that way.
So perfect. So for November month, you have to pay because our company
Yeah,
generate invoice on first of the every month, first date of the every month.
ठीक है, no problem. So you can share the same plan type what you've shared over here. I will speak
Mhm.
to sir and accordingly look either at bronze to start with, or maybe if he suggests some other plan we can look at that as well. But you include the plan types, all of them, and whatever features you have, so that I
Sure.
can have this approved quickly.
Sure. So give me at least 1 hour of time to create a proposal for
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah, no problem. Any which ways he's traveling, so mostly I will get the approval maybe by tomorrow only. So
Okay.
even if I share the email today, so even if you take time till end of the day, I'm fine with it. That's not a problem.
Yeah, yeah, no issue. I will send you within 1 hour. Excellent.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much, Pushpendra, for connecting
Thank
and
you.
solving all my queries.
That's absolutely fine. Thank you so much, Udemy.
Most welcome. Bye.